VFX Alerts is a popular signal service designed for binary options traders, offering real-time trade recommendations based on technical indicators and market analysis. The platform provides traders with free and premium trading signals that include essential details such as asset pair, expiry time, signal strength, and suggested trade direction. One of the key features of VFX Alerts is its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for beginners and experienced traders alike. The signals are generated using a combination of trend indicators, oscillators, and market momentum analysis, helping traders identify potential trading opportunities. VFX Alerts integrates seamlessly with most binary options brokers, allowing traders to execute trades without switching between multiple platforms. Additionally, the service provides a heat map tool, which visually represents market trends and helps traders gauge price movements more effectively. Many users appreciate the high signal frequency, as it allows them to engage in multiple trades throughout the day. However, as with any signal service, accuracy can vary, and traders should always verify signals using their own market analysis before placing trades. The free version of VFX Alerts provides a limited number of signals per day, while the premium plan offers unlimited signals, additional trading insights, and advanced filters for better trade selection. Another advantage is the compatibility with both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring traders can receive alerts even when they are on the go. The service also offers an API for automated trading, enabling users to integrate signals with trading bots for a more hands-free approach. Despite its advantages, some traders criticize VFX Alerts for occasional delays in signal delivery, which can impact trade execution in fast-moving markets. Others argue that the win rate is not consistent, emphasizing the importance of using signals as a supplementary tool rather than a sole trading strategy. A significant benefit of using VFX Alerts is the educational resources provided, including trading tutorials and strategy guides that help users improve their overall trading skills. The live notification system ensures that traders receive signals in real time, reducing the likelihood of missing profitable opportunities. When compared to other binary options signal providers, VFX Alerts stands out due to its affordable pricing and transparency regarding signal generation. While it is a useful tool for beginners who need guidance in trade selection, professional traders may find it lacking in customization and advanced trading strategies. To maximize results, traders should use VFX Alerts, alongside technical analysis tools such as support and resistance levels, price action patterns, and momentum indicators. Overall, VFX Alerts is a reliable option for traders looking for a straightforward signal service, but success ultimately depends on proper risk management and independent market analysis. It is advisable to test the free version before upgrading to a premium subscription to assess whether the service aligns with individual trading preferences. Whether you are a beginner looking for guidance or an experienced trader wanting additional trade confirmations, VFX Alerts can be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit if used correctly.